Hey friends, Happy New Year! I just wanted to show you guys quickly how I am packing and storing all my Christmas decorations. It's that time of year when you have to take everything down, and it's kind of sad, but it's something we all have to do. It's kind of the least fun chore of the holiday season, but I just wanted to show you really quickly how I am storing and organizing all my Christmas decorations. So I have one large shelf in my garage that has to fit all my Christmas decorating stuff and all my regular decorating stuff. As you can see, I have right here is my Easter box. I got my Halloween stuff. So I have to be efficient with my space. And this year I really was conscious of that. I actually have been switching over to clear bins and trying to get them to fit really well. For example, this is a big box with a little box snugly fit on top so I can fit more stuff and be more organized. And I've been slowly but surely switching all my stuff to clear bins because to me it's a lot easier to find stuff and see stuff when you can see it. So let me show you some of the ways, some of the things I have and what the organizing I've done. So this box here is my ribbon storage box and also all my decorating stuff. So I have in here, oh, let's see if I can open it. So here is like my labels for wrapping. This is all these cute little wrapping bags that I've saved for Christmas. And I kind of divided all my Christmas wrapping this year from my regular wrapping stuff, birthday stuff. And then in this box I have ribbons and bows and then all my ribbons. So it's kind of like my one-stop shop here. In this little box I have my scissors and tape and everything I need to wrap a present. And it's all tucked away, safe and sound, and well organized. I actually have to mention that I watch Robeson Design Channel, and she is the one who talks about the clear bins, and a lot of my ideas are from her, so I do have to give her credit. Now, I used to have all my Christmas wrapping paper, regular wrapping paper, all mixed up in one tall box. But this year I kind of organized it so that now I have this box and it is my birthday box. And all these it has all these little storage baggies, little extra decorating stuff that I've saved. I have 3 kids, so I feel like we're always... there's always some last minute party they've been invited to in their school, and it's like, oh, we need to get a gift, we need to wrap a present. So I love having this box with all my birthday stuff. I even have candles because I've had those times where you go to celebrate a friend's birthday, they come over and you're like, where's the candles? Where's all the stuff? So I have everything in here. I have tape in here, I have tissue and bags, and it is my birthday box, and I love it. So yeah, I have all these clear bins up here, and I like to organize it mainly just in items. I know some people like to organize it by room, like all the kitchen stuff in one box and all, the mantle stuff in one box. But for me, I like to change my decorating a lot. So I have just everything itemized, like my gold. Here's my gold. Here's my white Christmas stuff, my silver Christmas stuff. This is my traditional box. I have all my Christmas greens in here, my tree picks, tabletop decorating. This is all my kitchen stuff for my hot cocoa stations, like mugs that are Christmassy. I have these tins here when I bake cookies and I bring them to the neighbors or whatever. This is all just my cooking, kitchen, cookie cutter box. And I like it. It keeps me really organized. And that's about it. I hope you guys have fun packing all your stuff away and that you can get it all organized and enjoy your new year. Bye.